We're at 8317 Duncan Avenue South. This is pulling back from furthest accessible point with camera, about 104 feet. Pretty sure the main is just there in front of us. But quite a few turns in this line, so we can't get much further than this. This was post-cabling backup, soft blockage. The blockage was actually all the way back at the beginning, around 5 feet, right in a 45-degree turn just outside of the house. So we'll pull all the way back and show that concrete. As you can see here, I mean, this concrete's really rough and rigid as well, but just going around that turn, a little too rough for the amount of toilet paper that went down. So we are open currently, and we will pull all the way back. So right in here at the transition, the concrete is just so rigid, it just came down and got stuck right around this turn, as you can see right outside the cast. So we're able to get that open, flush the whole thing out, get them open and running again.